Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful flower earring design. For making this I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, stud earring hook and 2 mm golden bead, fabric glue, 11 number crochet hook, scissor. Let's start with magic ring. Two chain, 1/2 double crochet in ring, 2 half double crochet in ring, third half double crochet in ring. So I will make total 12 half double crochet all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my 12 half double crochet. Now I will pull the thread and connect to the second chain by slip stitch. Now 3 chain. It will count as a first double crochet. 2 more chain, 1 double crochet in same stitch, 2 chain, second double crochet in same stitch, 2 chain, third double crochet in same stitch, 2 chain and fourth double crochet in same stitch, and 2 chain. So in one stitch we will make 4 double crochet and 2 chain. Now I will move to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, second double crochet, 2 chain, third double crochet, 2 chain and fourth double crochet, and 2 chain. In second stitch I made 4 double crochets and 2 chain. I will complete this round by making 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain 4 times in one stitch and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch. Now we'll cut the thread. Now we will make the center part of flower. So start with magic ring. One chain, 2 and 3. Connect to the ring by single crochet. Now 2 chain, connect in ring by single crochet, 2 chain, connect in ring, by single crochet. So I will repeat this pattern 10 times all around this ring. I have completed my round. Now we pull the thread and connect to the ring by slip stitch. This is our first layer. So we need 2 layers. One layer I already made. Now I will add stud earring hook. I will apply glue and pass this stud earring hook here. Now again glue over this hook and attach our second layer. Now I will attach center part of flower and golden bead. Now our earring is ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.